Hey guys, Amar from the oDoc team here. In order to use oDoc, you need to first create an account. The first step when creating an account is to enter your phone number. Shortly after you enter your phone number, you will receive a text with a one-time verification code. Type this code in when prompted. Create a password for your account. Enter your email address. Enter your name. Confirm your information. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of an oDoc account. You can see previews of some of the doctors on the platform by swiping through their icons. When you're ready to make an appointment, click the Select a Doctor button. You will then be given another opportunity to swipe through all the doctors on our platform. When you find a doctor that you think you like, click on the Request button at the bottom of the screen. As you have just joined oDoc, your first consultation is completely free of charge. Write your doctor a short note about your condition or send them a picture to better prepare them for the upcoming consultation. When you're satisfied with the information you've entered, click the Continue button. Click the Confirm Request button. As it is your first time using oDoc, you will be asked to select your gender and your date of birth. Once this is done, click the Confirm Request button again. The app will then check your internet speed to ensure that you and your doctor have the smoothest connection possible. You will then be placed in the oDoc waiting room. Feel free to browse around or use other apps while you wait for your doctor to call you. Enjoy your first consultation with oDoc.